Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make 11 Labs Rap and here's how it is done. First, go to 11 Labs and sign in. Navigate to text to speech. Select a voice that suits rap, deep, energetic, or expressive. Second, write your rap lyrics. Keep it rhythmic with a clear flow. Use short, punchy lines. Adjust punctuation, commas, and periods to control pauses. Third, adjust voice settings. Increase stability for a more structured flow. Lower clarity slightly to make it sound more human. Use different voices to simulate multiple rappers. Fourth, generate and download the audio. Click generate and listen. If needed, tweak the text or settings for better flow. Once satisfied, download the audio. Once mixed, export the final rap track and share it. That is everything you need to know about how to make 11 Labs Rap. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.